Dear friends, welcome to the video content on surface area and volume. In this content, we will learn introduction, surface area of a cuboid and cube, surface area of a right circular cylinder, surface area of a right circular cone, surface area of a sphere, volume of a cuboid, volume of a cylinder, volume of a right circular cone, and volume of a sphere. Introduction. Let us start with introduction. First we have to know what is surface area and volume. Surface area. It is a total surface area of an object and curved surface of the solid. Volume. The amount of space that a substance or shape contains. Surface area of a cuboid and cube. To find the surface area of a shape, we have to calculate the total areas of all the faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. Top and bottom of the cuboid have same area. Front and back of a cuboid have same area. Left and right hand side of the cuboid have same area. So we used 6 rectangular pieces to cover the complete surface of the cuboid. Faces of cuboid. As we discussed, cuboid has 6 faces, noted in numbers 1 to 6. Here L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height. The area can be found by multiplying length and breadth for each of faces separately and adding the 6 areas together. We can take length of a cuboid as L, breadth as B, and height as H. The sum of the area of a 6 rectangle is area of rectangle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to L into H plus L into B plus L into H plus L into B plus B into H plus B into H, that is equal to 2 into L into B plus 2 into B into H plus 2 into L into H, that equals to 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus HL bracket close. Therefore, the surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now we are going to see lateral surface area. For cuboid refers to the area of the 4 walls of it. Formula for lateral surface area for cuboid is 2 into 1 plus B into H. Derivation is equal to area of rectangle 1 is equal to L into H. Derivation area of rectangle 2 is equal to B into H. Derivation area of rectangle 3 is equal to L into H. Derivation area of rectangle 4 is equal to BL into H. Therefore, total area is equal to 2LH plus 2BH is equal to 2L plus B into H. Now we are going to work out the surface area of this cuboid. Let us see the diagram. Area of the top is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 centimeter square. Area of the front is equal to 7 into 5 is equal to 35 centimeter square. Area of the side is equal to 7 into 6 is equal to 42 centimeter square. So the total surface area is equal to 2 into 30, that is top and bottom, plus 2 into 35, that is front and back, plus 2 into 42, that is left and right side, is equal to 60 plus 70 plus 84, that equals to 214 centimeter square. Surface area of a cube. Now we are going to find the surface area of a cube. Cube contains 6 faces. All 6 faces of a cube have the same area. Length of each face is denoted by letter L. The area of each face is L into L is equal to L square. Therefore, surface area of a cube is equal to L square into 6, that is 6L square. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area refers to the area of only the walls. It does not include the area of the floor and roof. Formula for lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4L square. Derivation. We know that all the sides of cube is in the same size and shape of a square. Area of square is equal to L square. Number of sides 4. Multiply area into number of sides. That is equal to 4L square. Now we are going to see the surface area of right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder is a solid generated by the revolution of a rectangle about one of its side. The right circular cylinder is a folded rectangle with both circular ends. Here we are going to discuss about it. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to area of the rectangular sheet, that is equal to length into breadth, that equals to perimeter of the base of the cylinder into h, that is 2 pi r into h. Total surface area of a cylinder is equal to area of a rectangular sheet plus 2 into area of circular regions, that equals to perimeter of the base of cylinder into h plus 2 into area of circular base, that equals to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, that equals to 2 pi r into r plus h. Here's the example. A barrel is to be painted from both the sides, inside and outside. The radius of its base and height is 2 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of printing at the rate of 10 rupees per square meter. Answer. What we have got here is r is equal to 2, m and h is equal to 3 meter. Base area of a barrel is equal to pi r square. Base area to be painted both sides is equal to 2 pi r square, that equals to 2 into 3.14 into 2 centimeter square, that equals to 2 into 3.14 into 4 centimeter square, that equals to 21.12 centimeter square. Curved surface area of a barrel is equal to 2 pi r h. Area to be painted is equal to 2 into 2 pi r h, that equals to 4 into 3.14 into 2 into 3 centimeter square, that equals to 27 into 3.14 centimeter square, which is equal to 75.36 centimeter square. So the total area to be painted is equal to 75.36 plus 21.12 centimeter square, which equals to 96.46 centimeter square. Expenditure on painting according to 10 rupees per square meter will be rupees 10 into 96.46, that equals to 964.8. Now we are going to see the surface area of right circular cone. If a right angle triangle is revolved about one of its sides containing a right angle, the solid thus formed is called a right circular cone. In the diagram, point V is the vertex of the cone. The length OV is equal to h, height of the cone. Base of the cone is a circle with O as a center and OA as a radius. Length VA is equal to L, the slant height of the cone. Here we are going to see curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of the cone is the area of the curved part of the cone, excluding the circular base. Formula is equal to half into perimeter of the base into slant height, that equals to half into 2 pi r into L, that equals to pi r L. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L plus pi r square is equal to pi r into L plus r. Surface area of a sphere. The set of all points in space equidistant from a fixed point is called a sphere. The fixed point is called the center of the sphere. A line segment passing through the center of the sphere with its end points on the sphere is called the diameter of the sphere. Surface area of a sphere with radius r is S is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of a hemisphere. Hemisphere. A plane passing through the center of a sphere divides the sphere into two equal parts. Each sphere is called as hemisphere. Formula for curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Derivation: hemisphere is half of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Therefore, half of sphere or curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Surface area of a hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area plus circular base, that equals to 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that equals to 3 pi r square. Now we see the volume of cuboid. The volume of an object is the measure of the space it occupies, and the capacity of an object is the volume of the substance, its interior space it occupies. We can find the volume of a cuboid by multiplying the area of the base into height. The area of the base is equal to length into breadth. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Now we are going to see volume of a cube. Volume of a cube refers to the space inside the 6 walls. We know that the length of each square face is equal. Volume of a cube is equal to length into length into length, that equals to L cube. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder can be built up using circles of same size. The volume of a cylinder can be obtained as base area into height, that equals to area of a circular base into height, that equals to pi r square h. Now we are going to discuss about the right circular cone and right circular cylinder. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi into r h. Derivation: take a cylindrical jar of height h and radius r whose volume is pi into r square h is equal to pi r square h. Take a hollow cone which has the same height and same radius r. Fill the cone with water and pour it into a jar. The jar will be fully filled when 3 cones full of water is poured into it. It shows that volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r into h, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of a sphere. Using the relational solids and pouring material, we noted that the volume of a cone is the same as the volume of a hemisphere. Therefore, volume of a cone is equal to half volume of sphere, that equals to 2 into volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. We already know that volume of cone is 1/3 volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to area of base into height. Therefore, volume of cone is equal to area of base into height by 3. 2 into volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. Therefore, 2 into 1/3 pi r square h is equal to volume of sphere. Here h is equal to 2r. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you. This content was developed under Akash School project. This project is funded by NME-ICT and MHRD, Government of India. If you wish to contact us, please mail us at the given email ID. Thank you for watching this content.